welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Click that notification bell, and once you do that, put in the comments hashtag #MiaMafia so I know that you are part of the gang. So let's just go ahead and hop on into this video. So for today's video, I am going to be doing another wash and go using Trey Luxe. And a shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. I have worked with them in the past, so yes, I really like using their products. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. All right, you guys, so I did go ahead and wash my hair, and I did use their Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. It looks just like this. And y'all, this was my first time using this product specifically, and I really like this rinse. Like, it had a really nice lather, and I feel like it was moisturizing. Like, I don't know what they've been putting in these rinses, these shampoos nowadays, but these shampoos have been like really doing well for my hair, and this one specifically, I really like this one. Like, I put it and it just felt like so, like, I don't know. It's hard to explain, but it was like really smooth. Once I rinsed it out, my hair was not stripped at all. So I really like this shampoo. I feel like, well, this rinse, I feel like it's a really good rinse. So yeah, one of their, two of their key ingredients is coconut milk and slippery elm extract. So I think that has like a lot to do with how smooth it was. Like, it was really smooth, and it just felt really good. Like, I really like that. So that was my first time using that, and I definitely approve on that. But I did go ahead and put their Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner in. It looks just like this. I've used this before. Yeah, it looks just like this, and I really like this. I really love the smell. It has like a cinnamon type, it has like a cinnamon type smell. So I really like this. It was definitely very moisturizing. But let me go ahead and take this down so we can get into using some of their other products. Before I get into it, I did want to go ahead and mention that they are doing a Black Friday sale right now. Their sale is from the 27th through the 29th. So if you want to buy some products, you might want to go ahead and hop on it before the sale ends. They are doing 30% off, and I do have a code for you guys to use. I will leave it down in the description box, and I'll put it right on the screen for you as well. And they are also doing free shipping for all orders over $50. So I would definitely go ahead and hop on that sale, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I love a sale, so definitely is the time to go ahead and copy some products. My hair is damp right now, and it has a leave-in in, and as y'all can see, like, I put a good amount in because I'm like, I need some real moisturized curls, and it's looking pretty good already. Like, the curls are definitely defined for the most part, and that's really good. Like, most leave-ins, they just, you know, give me a little moisture, but this one definitely gave me some definition to go with it. But I'm gonna go ahead and split this in half. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and brush this section out just so it can, you know, just so I can detangle it again before I put more products in. All right, so in my last video, if y'all haven't seen that video already, I did try out their 4-in-1 hydrating cream. It looks like this. So I really like using this product, but they did send me their gel, their curl enhancing styling gel. So I'm gonna be trying this out in today's video. I'm really excited to be using it, cause like, I love my creams, but I feel like, you know, sometimes you just need a gel, you know? You just need a gel to go ahead and get them curls together, to get the job done. So I'm definitely excited to see how this is about to work. And ooh, it's like really jiggly. I'm gonna try to show y'all. Y'all see how jiggly that is? Like, it's really jiggly. Okay, so we finna see. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to go in with this first, or if I want to go back in with their curl styling serum, because I did use this already, and I do like how this works too. It's anti-frizz, so I feel like this really helped my hair not frizz up, because my hair always frizzes up, and when I used this last time, it didn't have that much frizz. So I'm trying to debate if I want to use this before or after. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the gel, and then I'm gonna see if I want to use that too. But the texture, oh, it's super slimy. It feels really good though. Like, it feels like it's gonna be moisturized. It doesn't feel like a really, really hard gel or like a really thick gel. So I'm definitely excited. All right, let's just go in. Let's just do it. Okay. Ooh. This is slippery. Okay, like, y'all see, my hands is just gliding. Okay. I should have tried this first. I like this. Oh my gosh. And it's defining my hair like without no issue. I'm shook. Already. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'm gonna try to shingle with this. Well, not like full out, because that kind of takes a while, but oh my gosh. I might just use this by itself and not do nothing else, just to see how it's really gonna perform. Because this, it's like barely any effort put in. Do y'all see that? Oh yeah, this might become my new fave. This looks amazing. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so all I have in my hair is the leave-in and this gel. Curling, like, it's definitely curl enhancing. Okay? Y'all see it? Y'all see it. Y'all right here witnessing it with me. Like, and it's still, like, usually sometimes when I rake my fingers through my hair, it'll like separate, but it's not even separating. It's still like together and clumped into perfection. Like, what? Oh yeah. I don't know. Let me see. I might put a little bit of that on there just to have that extra protection and not have no frizz. So this is the Reflex Curl Styling Serum. So let's just go in with a little bit of that, just literally a little bit. Because this isn't, I feel like this is good to put on your hair while it's still wet and not dry. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of that on there. But this is how we're looking so far. Let me show y'all up close. Y'all see these curls? Popping. Are you guys excited about Black Friday? Oh my gosh. Like, are y'all shopping down? Are y'all going to be buying some stuff? I know like most of these stores are, you know, mainly going to be like online shopping and things like that. But I'm super excited. Even though I might not be buying anything. I think I might buy a few things. But for the most part, I really don't need nothing. So I really don't want to be tempted to buy stuff just because it's Black Friday. Which I'm probably going to buy some stuff, but you know, why not? Yeah, I'm glad I put that leave-in while I was in the shower, because I feel like it really seeped into my hair and like really moisturized my hair, because I had to do my makeup and stuff. So it's really been like seeped in and ready to go. Okay. Oh my gosh. Like, this is, I really don't want to sound like I'm over exaggerating, but this is probably because, like, this is gonna be my new gel. Like, in my last video, I know I mentioned to y'all, like, I might not go back to gels for a while because I feel like they give me the same results as creams. But this one is not even like, it's not like a regular gel. Like, this is something different, okay? This, what, do y'all see that? What? Okay. I'm like shook. This is, oh my, okay, let me hush. All right, I'm about to go ahead and speed through this and do this on my whole head. Y'all, look at my hair. I wish it stayed like this. Like, give me the wet look tease. Look at this. This looks so good. Like, I wish it would dry like this. It just like stay sleek like this. This would be lit. But, you know, we're gonna see. You know, I like big hair, but look at this. This don't even look like how my hair be looking. If y'all been watching my videos, which I hope you have, you would know this is like something different. Okay, like this is so cute. But yeah, I went ahead and did my edges, and now I'm going to diffuse my hair. I'm actually, you know, do that on camera since I never do. But yeah, I'm happy. But yeah, I'm gonna diffuse my hair. Like, I don't know what else to say. But this is cute. And this side part, I know it ain't like super straight, but I really don't care. But it's like giving a look. Okay. Y'all, if y'all don't get nothing else from this video, this right here. Okay, y'all, so my hair is like 95% dry. I'm really like slicked out of diffusing it, but my hair didn't move. When I tell you I made a wish and it came true, like I just said, like, I wish my hair would stay like this. And look, it's like, don't get me wrong, it is crunchy, okay? It's crunchy, but I'm not mad at the crunch at all. Like, my hair is so defined. Do you know how this is about? Do you know how long this hair is about to last? This is about to last so long because it's so defined. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try to go in with some oil to like scrunch out the crunch a little bit. But y'all, I'm not even mad. Like, and I know it's gonna get bigger like through the days. So I'm not even mad at it. Like, it is so defined. It looks so good. It don't look dry. Like, y'all know I be complaining a little bit about how like my hair still be looking like a little dry and a little lackluster, but it's looking very much moisturized. And like the back part, I don't think I put as much in the back as I did up front. And I only put a lot up front because like this side and like I parted it, so like this half of my head is like not as defined as the other side. So that's why I put like a bunch on like right here. Just because like I really wanted it to be like, you know, super defined and like have it hold really, really good. And when I tell y'all, this hold is amazing. Like, it's amazing. And then like as I just did this, it definitely softened up that crunch for sure. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It's the definition for me. Y'all know people love to say that. Yes, this is like, look at this. This is like stuck. But I can just separate it and it still looks defined. Oh my gosh. And I know this is gonna get big. Like, I'm not gonna pick this at all. I'm not gonna pick it. Because I'm just gonna gradually let it get bigger. If you guys want me to update you guys on how long my hair lasts, because I believe this video is gonna go up before I like get to the end of that. I can definitely update you guys on like my little community tab. So just leave a comment down below if you do want me to update you guys on how long this lasts. But I know it's gonna last a long time. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Reflex again for sponsoring this video. Make sure y'all go ahead and copy y'all some products for this Black Friday sale. Don't forget to use the discount code, and all the description, all the details about everything, all the products that I use and all of that will definitely be down in the description box as always. But yes, I'm really loving how my hair looks like. It looks good. But yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you made it to the end of this video and you're not subscribed. And yes, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Happy Black Friday shopping. I'm so lame. Okay, y'all, bye.